Hey there friends, I want to do a quick video on Bbig here. So I'm going to be completely honest here, I've been really happy with where this stock has been holding here. I said about 2 weeks ago, I really think this is going to play around the $5, $6 zone until we see and get closer to these dates happening that I talked about in the last video around, I think it's October 14th and the 15th, when we have the shareholder meeting, when we have all this new information that will be coming out about this company and what they're planning on doing forward into the future. Now, there's a lot of bad articles out right now about this now that the stock has kind of went down, and obviously, you know, I don't know how many people are familiar with Ted Farnsworth, the man behind the Movie Pass situation. I don't know if anybody ever bought into the Movie Pass situation. I thought it was a pretty cool idea, but apparently a lot of people didn't. But he is the man involved with Vinco Ventures. He is trying to do something very different here, which I think is, like, I've said this before, so I don't want to sound like a broken record, but I love the outlook of what they're trying to do with this company. It's just that the generation of the day does accept this company and what they're trying to do. But two big things that we have going against us right now with Vinco Ventures is the media ripping this thing apart and time. We're having to wait on these time limits right now for things to actually fall into place and for this company to get to where it needs to be, which is going to take some time. Now, looking at volume, obviously we have lost a lot of our big volume here. We are not doing much. There's not a lot of wiggle room right now if you're buying in, trying to get out. Obviously, if you were short trading this is a little bit of an expensive stock to play around with not a ton of wiggle room, but a little bit. And like I said, our volume has just completely died out from where we were just 2 weeks ago. So friends, I'm still with this one. I still love the outlook of this company. I love what it's trying to do. A lot of things coming up with this company. There's going to be a lot more news coming out. So I think October could really be a big month for this company once we get halfway into it to see what's going to do. It's just a matter of what is the stock market going to do? How many more articles are going to come out ripping Vinco apart to where people get scared? Leave it. These are things that we are dealing with right now as investors. So friends, I know this wasn't terribly in-depth, but I've already talked about and made so many videos on Vinco, Bbig here. I don't want to bore people even more. I just want to make it up-to-date how I feel about this, what we're seeing. There's no real new news at the moment besides what we're watching and waiting for these things to fall into place, for the dominoes to fall and take place here. That's literally what we're waiting on. So friends, with all that said, remember, be positive, be you. Cannot stress that enough. And thank you so much for your comments, your support, everything you do, people helping each other out on the channel. Really do love that and appreciate that. Guys, I will talk to you very soon. I hope Friday is very good to you in the stock market and we end the week on a very high note. Friends, I will talk to you very soon. Bye, everyone.